Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Kia Rio. First, prioritize safety by gathering gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely off and in park, with parking brakes engaged. Always inspect the dead battery terminals for any corrosion or damage before proceeding. This initial check is crucial for a safe and effective jump start. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, take one red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Kia Rio's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, attach one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Rio, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your dead battery. After this brief wait, try starting your Kia Rio. Now, carefully remove the negative cable from the dead car's metal surface first. Then, disconnect the negative cable from the working car's battery. By the way, staying hydrated is super important, so check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, remove the positive cables from both batteries, starting with the working car. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.